Good morning and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Wednesday, US markets closed with losses. However, they managed to recover most of the intraday losses. Asian markets spared some losses as futures for Europeans and US futures advanced. Treasuries fell as the news that the CSFB would borrow money from Switzerland's central bank, which has provided a measure of calm for investors. Singapore Nifty was down over 100 points on Wednesday, currently trading in positive territory with minor gains. The setup of the market is still showing a lot of weakness. It is forming lower top, lower bottom. On Wednesday, when there was higher opening in the market, we saw quick profit taking or liquidation of long positions at 17,200 levels, from where we saw the markets were falling to the levels of 16,950 during the day. It was consistent sell-off throughout the day, and eventually the market managed to, in fact it failed to close above the levels of 17,000 and comfortably closed below the mark of 17,000. However, if we see the broader pattern of the market, then the corrective pattern should end between 16,900 to 16,800 levels, from where we can expect one rebound in the market. Currently, the way US stock futures are trading higher and Singapore Nifty is trading higher, we may see some higher opening. But during the day, if we see the market is dropping to 16,900 or 850 levels, then there we should look for adding long positions with a stop loss at 16,700. 16,750 was the lowest of the September month 2022. So from there we saw the market was rallying to 18,900, and that's the reason 16,750 is having a lot of relevance. The strategy should be to buy between 16.9 to 16.8, keep a stop loss at 16.7, and on the higher side 17,000, 17,100 would be immediate resistance. 17,250 will be ultimate resistance for the market. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw weakness below the levels of 39,400. It closed at 39,000. We may see the levels of 38,600 or 700 during the day if there is furthermore panic. As it's a weekly expiry day, we need to be a little bit careful while adding long positions at higher levels. But certainly if there is any correction, then we should be buyer with a little bit positional view. We need to focus on technology companies, as Nasdaq recovered smartly from lower levels, and as there is expectation, I mean to say in the US there is expectation that they are not going to increase the rate with a pace that was expected some few days back. So that will actually help all these technology companies, IT companies in the medium term. And that's the reason today we need to focus on some IT companies as well as commodities. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.